Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to bet on 1xBet for beginners. To achieve this, it's quite simple. Before we continue, I will advise you to create a professional 1xBet account. To achieve this, you go to registration, choose a registration method of your choice by phone, fill in your informations, then at the level of promo code, type Chelsea TV. This promo code gives you a 300% bonus at your first recharge, which implies that if you put in 10,000, you get 40,000. Betting is quite simple on 1xBet. All you have to do is choose any event of your choice. For example, there are many disciplines: football, tennis, basketball, etc. And once you've chosen an event, for example, this football match of Espanyol against Retafe, you're going to click on an event. Now you're going to see double chance, which is an outcome. You're going to see different outcomes like double chance, both teams to score, 1 times 2 plus each team to score. You're going to see W1 and W2. W1 means the first team and W2 the second. W1 is the team receiving the match and W2 the team at exterior. So you are going to bet on an outcome by clicking on it. As you can see, I've just clicked on double chance of Espanyol. Once you've done that, you can click on bet while deciding the amount you want to pay. Once you've decided the amount you want to bet on, you can click on bet and the bet will be accepted. And you can watch your different bets on your bet slip. Once you click on bet slip, which is the middle icon at the bottom, you're going to see the different bets which you've made.